flag gray. Does any other manufacturer offer a car in flag gray? I don't know. Anyways, I super dig the Trail S color. What's up, everybody? That car guy Eddie here, and today another video, and a video on size does not matter. Yes, that's right. One of the coolest mods you can do for your Trail S1000 or your Pro XP is to get this little bad boy right here, which we will reveal in just a second. If I was a better magician, I would shake it and it would disappear, but I can't do that. That's why I make YouTube videos. Hey, smash the like button. Anyways, if this is your first time here, thank you very much for joining the channel and just checking us out. Be sure you subscribe. We do all sorts of videos on UTVs, cars, all kinds of stuff, and just general idiots shenanigans. Today is a legit install video in under 5 minutes. That's my goal, 5 minutes. So let's not keep us lasting. What's in the little box? Well, I'll show you. First of all, this is a Kimimoto front camera for the RZR. And this is the first time we've taken it out of this box, and I just kind of want to show what we got in here. So we got a really great instruction manual that looks like it's a pack of gum. We don't really need that. I was gonna throw the box, but I don't know if Lynx wants me to throw his stuff. Thank you, Lynx, for donating your time today to film this and purchasing this. Really appreciate that. Somebody on the channel that views us just thinks we get things for free all the time. We don't. We actually spend our money on things. Wow, there's a lot of instructions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different steps of the instructions. And just basically a lot of stuff that we're not going to need because it's literally 2 clips and a plug. Let me show you how it works. All right, we're going to put that in there. Sorry if it blows away, Lynx. I'm sorry. So let's pull out the good stuff here. What do we want? This is the camera. All right, so here it is. It's just basically a camera here with a little resistor on it, and it's all plug and play. So this plugs into the stock camera location. I'm assuming there is an up on this. This threads off and it threads in, and we should be good to go. And hopefully we can get some good front camera action. One of the things that if you are used to riding UTVs and things like that, especially on steep inclines, is you're not able to see over the front of the vehicle as much. It happens at the dune, it happens especially on rocks, and it's nice to have something here. Well, Polaris is really cool because they offer this. If you're gonna buy it, my suggestion would probably be to get the Kimimoto one because it's about half the price. This is about 65, 70 bucks compared to 119, 130 if you can find it on the Polaris website. And my experience, Lynx, you probably agree, the Kimimoto stuff's pretty good. They're like the best knockoff. Like if there's like 2 categories, you have like the super hot girl and then like her friends. Kimimoto's like the best friend of the super hot chick. Okay, but the super hot chick's a Can-Am, not a Polaris. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let's go and get to the install. So let's come right down here. And first things first, it's going to sit in this hole here. We're going to go ahead and take the grill off. To take the grill off the Polaris, it's super easy. You just grab these 2 little clips, you pull towards you, and the grill is going to go ahead and come out. And if you look here, Polaris makes it nice and easy. It's all pre-wired for you. Thank you, Advanced Polaris. I know how much you guys watch the video, and we appreciate that. For pre-wiring it, you pull that little loom off. You plug this in. That's it. Oh, I almost forgot. I read it backwards. You see, Lynx, if I would have read the instructions, I would have known how to do it. Oh, God. And then this is where I pull the wires out. You know, shenanigans on this video actually happen here. Dude, I'm going to break this thing. I'm going to break this thing here. Hang on a second. How do we get this out? Do we just want to cut? Let's cut. Go. Okay, so if you notice, it's a little darker. I don't have my sunglasses on, and we now have a little red arrow at the top of this. A couple of key points that you may want to know before you actually take this thing off and start replacing it. Number 1, you should probably read the instructions. It was 8 steps, and I was like, it's like 2 steps. It's 8 steps. So thank you, China. I do appreciate that. So that little red arrow is going to go ahead and tell you where the up arrow is, and that is going to be the top of your camera. So to install this, it's really simple. You take off this little wing nut here. Take this all the way off. You're going to slide this into the hole. Oh, yeah. Oh, Ken Kniff. It's a little big. It's a little big. Have you put it in yet?
No.
It's a little big. It's a little big. Okay, so it's a little big for the hole. So this is our third attempt at doing this. I told Lynx, this is not gonna be a 5-minute install. Anytime you see somebody and they're like, it's gonna be a 5-minute install, it's like a 20-minute install because things happen. So one of the things that we do wanna point out when you are installing the Kimimoto camera is that the Polaris camera actually has notches on the threaded side, and there's gonna be notches in here. They're kind of hard to see because we've effectively cut them out. But what that does is that allows the camera to sit around those particular notches. Now the Kimimoto one does not have that. It's just basically a threaded barrel. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take this off. You're gonna not drop the camera on the ground because you'll scratch it and we'll have to return it to Amazon and say that it was scratched. And here we go. So we're just gonna slide this in here, nice little tight fit. And then we will put the barrel adjuster back on it. Now you don't wanna tighten it all the way down yet. And the reason why is because as we were doing this, we knocked off the little arrow that is pointing up. So what that means is we're gonna have to get this on here, figure out where the adjustment is, and then we're gonna have to set it. But as far as electrical connection, literally, you take this and you snap it in, it's good to go. You don't even need to put a zip tie or anything on here. I mean, it's pretty close to the radiator. I would probably put a zip tie just up here and zip tie it to the rest of the stuff just to keep it out of the way. But I mean, it's on there. That's what it's gonna look like. We'll put it on here with the grill, show you how good it looks. Look at that. It's like it's supposed to be there, huh? That looks really good. So, like I said, for 70 bucks, you're gonna get a front trail camera. It's gonna be really great. One of the things I wish I had on my Can-Am was a backup camera, let alone a front camera. I can't see anything when I'm going over stuff on it. You just kind of gotta hope and pray and Jesus, take the wheel is kind of how you have to do it. But let's go inside, see how the electronics work and see how it works all together. So I'll meet you around the front side over here. Don't look at the door bags or anything yet, or the windshield. We're still in the process of reviewing those. So yeah, don't look at any of that. So now that we passed off the camera here to Eddie, and I hit my head on this cool mirror here. We got Lynx over there on his knees doing his best work. All right, here we go. So you press the center button, go ahead and go to your cameras. And this is the rear camera. That's the front camera. All right, so we are spun to the right. So you need to go left. Oh, I'm sorry, other right. Yep, keep going. Keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. Almost there, a little more. Oh, the other way. There you go, perfect. So that's what it's gonna look like. So there's your front camera. There is your back camera and your front camera again. So for 70 bucks, do I think it is worth it? 110%. I think the build quality is really good. I think that the ease of installation is really good. And I think that it's probably the first modification that anybody should do on any type of racer that's out there. I mean, like I said, if my Can-Am had something to do, this would be a heartbeat easy mod to do. It's going to be great for you guys out there that ride the trails, great for you guys that are in the mud, anybody that doesn't need rock climbing, because you're going to be able to see right over where your wheels are going to go. It's just another driver comfort, a feature, something like that. Anyways, if you'd like to get this, we actually got it on Amazon. Like I said, you can search it all over the place. Don't sleep on razor parts though, because of COVID, everything is sold out everywhere. We're gonna do an install video on a roof light and some mounts, and we can't find 32-inch light bar mounts anywhere. We actually ended up having to source them from a local dealer and have them ship them to us. Big pain in the neck. But we appreciate you watching the video. Thanks so much, and ride hard.